Welcome to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a few things that beginners don't know about their Cameo. But don't worry, your boy Flex got you. Let's jump into the video.
It's that super no, she my flow. Yeah. It's that
Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, boom, you open up your Cameo, right? And on the side of it, on the side over here, I got mine blacked out, there's a button. All you have to do is hit that button on. Boom, your Cameo turns on. Now, the next thing is, see this little thing over here? These are where you could just store whatever you want. You could store extra blades over here. And this is my little squeegee, you know, for the vinyl. I kept that over there. Now, the next thing is, whenever you load your mat on the Cameo, you have to make sure that you line up the mat right here. You see this line right here? Only on that line right there you line up your mat on. But remember, you're lining up your mat, not the vinyl. Not the vinyl on the mat you're gonna line up there. When you're using the mat, you only line up the mat on this blue line. See these? You don't need to mess around with the wheel and all this stuff. And over here, you do not need to touch that button. Right there, you don't need to flip it. Leave that alone. You're a beginner. All you need to know is just how to load your mat. So now, here's the next thing is, now look at this little secret drawer right here. Boom, see that little secret drawer? Now here I keep my tools. This is my pick and stuff like that. I keep that right there. Right over here you have this is your vinyl cutter. You know, use it to cut the vinyl, so that's good right there. And in there, inside there, this is to adjust your blade. But I don't really use this. Who needs this? We got automatic blade. We don't use a ratchet blade, so don't worry about that too much. Now here's the next thing. You see this? Look on the side, open, boom. Here's the next one, open, boom, open. Now I'm not done, pay attention. Open the legs. There's legs, look at them, little legs or arms, whatever you want to call them. Open them up. Open them up. Now here's the important thing why this is there. This is so when you put your mat on it, see I don't have much room right here, it's falling off. Now here's the thing, when you put your mat right here, it would actually keep your mat in place so that it won't fall, it won't be hanging down too much. So this will keep it there and help guide it through. Now the next important thing is you have to make sure you have enough room in the back, because the vinyl got to go in and out, it got to go through and back. So you have to make sure you have enough room back there. If you don't, your vinyl gonna keep hitting whatever it is, and then it's gonna start having a problem. So you have to make sure you do it the right way. So that's just the basics you need to know if you're a beginner. Now also, some of you don't understand about how to connect your Wi-Fi to your PC, but don't worry about it. I'm making another video so that you could learn how to connect your Cameo to the PC by using the Wi-Fi. Forget about using that USB wire. This, hook it up wireless. You could put it anywhere in the room. It doesn't have to stay close to your computer. So I'm making another video on that, so stay tuned for that. That will be the next video coming up after this. And see my shirt? Pizza is cheaper than therapy. That shirt is also available on my website. Right here's the link. If you like it, go get yourself one. Look at that. Yeah, now this one is screen printed, but we also do it in vinyls and screen print, you know, we hook it up. But anyway, that's all I got for you about this. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, and as always, your boy Fix got you. I'm out.